Chapter 6. Conditional Statement in Pygame 0. 2. How to check two conditions using if-else statement.
How can I run different code when I click somewhere other than alien?
In that case, you can use the if-else statement. The if-else statement can execute both the true part and the false part of a given condition. If the condition is true, the if block code is executed, and if the condition is false, the else block code is executed. Let's make a sound if you click anywhere other than the alien. At first, you need to store the sound file in the sounds folder. Let's write the code.
What does this code mean?
The sounds.file name.play method can play the sound in the sounds folder. If the condition is false, in other words, if you click somewhere other than the alien, this code plays the audio file. Let's run this code. When you click on an alien, the image of the alien changes. When you click anywhere other than the alien, the sound is made.